Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set your computer password in Windows 10. Right, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm already on my computer right here. So what I want us to do is just come to your start menu right here, then click on that, and then click on settings. I want us to access our settings. Now once this open up, I want you to click on your accounts, click on accounts right here. So now once you open this up, I want you to come here, click on sign in options. Right, so since you want to set our password, I want you to click on password, sign in with your account's password. Click on that. Now once you click on that, as you can see, you have this, your account doesn't have a password, right? So you want to set it. Now click on add. Now this tab should be opening up, or this window should be opening up. Now this is your new password, confirm password, and then password hint. So you can just set whatever password you want to set. Let's just say Nick. So you set your password and then you confirm the password, and then you can set your password hint. So once you set that, now just click on next. So now once you set that, and then as you can see, next time you sign in, use your new password. Right, so you can just click on finish. So now as you can see, you set your password right there. Right, perfect. So yeah, that's how you can set your password or your computer password in Windows 10. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time you upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.